काले डब्बे दिख रहे? ये टेलीफोन बोलते हैं. I'm going to tell you a little secret about these telephones. ये खुद से डायल नहीं. Okay. तुम लोगों के बिना worthless hunk of plastic, like a loaded M16 without a trained marine to pull the trigger. And in the case of the telephones, it's up to each and every one of them. Very highly trained strategites, very killers, जो client से no नहीं सुनने वाले. By fucking warriors who will not hang up the phone until their client either buys or fucking dies. तुम लोगों को एक बात बताती हूँ, ध्यान से सुनो. There is no nobility in poverty. I've been a rich woman and I've been a poor woman and I choose rich every fucking time. क्योंकि at least as a rich woman, जब मैं अपने problems face करने जाती हूँ, I show up in the back of a limo, wearing a $2,000 suit and a $40,000 gold fucking watch. किसी को लगता है कि मैं superficial हूँ या materialistic हूँ, so go and get a job at a fucking McDonald's because that's where you fucking belong. Before you depart this room full of winners, I want you to take a good look at the person standing next to you. पास खड़े इंसान को एक बार अच्छी तरीके से देख लो और उसका चेहरा अच्छी तरीके से याद कर लो. क्योंकि sometime in the not so distant future, जब तुम किसी सिग्नल के बाहर अपनी beautiful fucked up Sandro में वेट कर रहे होगे, तो ये इंसान भी तुम्हारे साइड में वेट करना होगा. But in his brand new Porsche and his beautiful wife by his side. He's got big voluptuous tits. और तुम्हारे साइड में कौन बैठा होगा? Some disgusting wildebeest with 3 days of razor stubble in an ugly oversized t-shirt crammed in next to you in a car full of groceries from Reliance fucking Fresh. That's who would be sitting next to you. But if you stay, I want you to pick up that phone. phone उठाओ. मैंने सिखाएगी जितनी भी बातें हैं उसमें बोलो, and I promise you I'll make you richer than the most powerful CEO in this fucking country. So now you listen to me. You listen closely. तुम्हारे credit card bills pending है? Good. Pick up the phone. Start dialing. तुम्हारा landlord तुम्हें घर से बाहर निकाल रहा है? Good. Pick up the phone. Start dialing. तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड को लगता है कि तुम एक pathetic, fucked up loser हो? Good. Pick up the phone and start dialing. I want you to deal with your problems by becoming rich. I want you to go out there and I want you to ram those shares down your client's throat till they fucking choke on it. Till they choke on it and buy 100,000 shares. That's what I want you to do. You'll be ferocious. You'll be relentless.